Finding a fast and reliable charger for your devices can be a real headache, especially when you're constantly on the go. With so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll compare 5 top-rated 100 watts GaN USB-C chargers, showcasing their strengths and unique features. Stick around for our number 1 pick, which has impressed users with its speed and efficiency, making it a must-have for tech lovers. Remember, links in the description below for current prices. And don't forget to subscribe. Anker Laptop Charger. The Anker Laptop Charger is a solid choice for anyone looking for a dependable and efficient power source. This charger provides an impressive 100 watts output, making it suitable for charging not just laptops, but also multiple devices at once. It features Power IQ technology, which intelligently detects your device and adjusts the charging speed accordingly. That means whether you're using it for your MacBook or charging your smartphone, you're guaranteed optimal performance. While it excels in charging speed, some users find the design a bit bulkier compared to other models, which could be inconvenient for travel. Anker Laptop Charger. Another great option from Anker is their second laptop charger, which focuses on versatility and safety. It supports fast charging for a variety of devices, including tablets and smartphones, thanks to its efficient GaN technology. The compact design makes it easy to slip into your bag, making it a perfect travel companion for professionals. Users appreciate the built-in safety features that protect against overheating and overcharging. However, it does come with a slightly higher price tag, which may not be ideal for budget-conscious shoppers. INIU 100 watts USB-C charger. The INIU 100 watts USB-C charger stands out for its incredible value and performance, making it ideal for families or those with multiple devices. With its GaN technology, this charger is not only compact, but also incredibly powerful. It can charge a laptop and a smartphone simultaneously without compromising on speed. Users have reported that it quickly powers devices, reducing downtime during busy days. One minor drawback is that it lacks some advanced safety features found in higher-end models. But for everyday use, it provides exceptional value without breaking the bank. Anker Prime Charger. The Anker Prime Charger is engineered for high performance, showcasing a sleek design that appeals to tech-savvy users. With its 100 watts output, it can charge larger devices like laptops and high-end tablets with ease. The charger includes dual USB-C ports for simultaneous charging, which is a significant advantage for users who need to power multiple devices at once. The durability and build quality are impressive, often outlasting cheaper alternatives. However, the price point is on the higher side, which might deter some budget-conscious buyers. UGREEN Nexode 100 watts GaN USB-C charger. Topping our list is the UGREEN Nexode 100 watts GaN USB-C charger, a true powerhouse in the world of fast charging. This charger boasts rapid charging capabilities that make it perfect for those who are always on the go. Its advanced GaN technology allows it to stay compact while delivering exceptional performance, charging laptops, tablets, and smartphones at lightning speed. Users rave about its ability to intelligently distribute power across multiple devices without overheating. While it's a little more expensive than some competitors, the unmatched efficiency and reliability make it worth every penny for serious tech users. If you're ready to upgrade your charging experience, consider one of these fantastic 100 watts GaN USB-C chargers. Each has its unique benefits, catering to different needs and preferences. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best prices. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more great tech reviews.